Trying to write a song for a girl, realize there's no one in my world, no one to step with all night, no one who comes off really bright. Maybe it's that I have a lack of confidence, or is it that I think that everyone's a dingus? I'm getting sick of all my friends, getting sick of this game of pretend, stuck pretending to be happy when I feel so damn lonely. I sit alone at night trying to write a song, trying to write a song for a non-existent girl. Time's running out, and I'm wasting my time. I'm watching One Piece, looking at boobies, playing my guitar. Maybe it's that I have a lack of confidence, or is it that I think that everyone's a dingus? I'm getting sick of all my friends, getting sick of this game of pretend, stuck pretending to be happy when I feel so damn lonely. Sit alone at night trying to write a song, and trying to write a song for a non-existent girl. I'm getting sick of all my friends. I'm getting sick of all my friends. I sit alone at night trying to write a song, trying to write a song for a non-existent girl. I'm getting sick of all my friends. I'm getting sick of all my friends. I sit alone at night trying to write a song, and trying to write a song for a non-existent girl. Grasp into this moment with a smile on my face. Are my best days behind me? Are there better days in place? Will I still have my brothers who fill up my void inside? These are the days we'll wish to go back and rewind. Skating every night, leaving scars along the streets, making noise with my guitar, just the happiest we'll ever be. These are the days we find a way to make the most of every day. Let's live like it's the past, so we won't look back with regret. These days will only get better. Let's live like this forever. It was fun. It was fun. Now hold on to these days. Please don't tell me they're over or done. They're done. Look back on nights when we were young, no regard for anyone, prioritizing fun. It felt that time stopped for us, then it hit us like a drug. Reality can't be stopped. Do we let go of what we love? Do we stay true to ourselves? Is this what it means to grow up. Let's just do something else. These days will only get better. Let's live like this forever. It was fun. It was fun. Now hold on to these days. Please don't tell me that we're over or done. They're done. These days will only get better. Let's live like this forever. It was fun. It was fun. Now hold on to these days. Please don't tell me that we're over or done. They're done. And now hold on to these days forever. Just because we're getting older doesn't have to mean it's over. And when it's all said and done, we'll take a look at everyone, all of our new friends and old ones who stuck with us through it all. Days go by, I'm like a waste of space. I'm functioning at work every day. Information hanging out of my brain. Motivation never seems to flow. I know I think about where I go. Nothing's going on in my dough. Somebody give me a place to be. Nothing seems to be